Okay guys, when it comes to ingredients, you need olive oil, oregano, pink or red beans, Goya, sazon, cooking oil, minced garlic, tomato sauce, 1 or 2 potatoes, and a jar of sofrito. And you also need smoked ham, a slice. We're gonna cut it up in cubes. A lot of people say to you, you can use anything like sausage or no. You need to use ham. Now if you don't have ham, you could also get these and you just put the whole envelope in and it's pretty much halon, which is ham. It'll give it the same with the ham, but before you put the ham in, you want to put some olive oil. Not much, just enough for you to be able to brown the ham. So you want to go ahead and put a spoon and a half. You don't want to go crazy on it. And then while it's sitting on the stove, just go ahead and mix it together. Now you see how the ham looks? Nice and brown. So the next thing you want to do is, just go ahead and put some adobo. You don't want to put much, just a little bit of a sprinkle, just to give it a taste. Give it some of the minced garlic. Just a cap. Notice I cut them in squares, but I cut them small. And then cover it up with aluminum foil. Put your top on. Let's take a look at this. Oh my goodness. I mean, those are the potatoes. I like a lot of potatoes. But look at the sauce. This is like, and I gave it a taste. It tastes really good. It smells really good. There's the pieces of ham on there, the beans. I'm not gonna do anything with this until tomorrow. I'm making fried chicken. I'm gonna be putting this on the white rice. Remember, I am not a cook.